Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Black color, it's a dark black color. Let's start. Heart, heart, arrow, arrow, oval, oval, rhombus, rhombus, cross, cross, pie, pie. Let's learn some colors. Deep yellow color, Canaria yellow color, deep olive green color, salmon pink color, yellow oak color, azalea purple color, now fill color in shapes. Azalea purple color, azalea purple color, salmon pink color, salmon pink color, Canaria yellow color, Canaria yellow color, deep yellow color, deep yellow color, deep olive green color, deep olive green color, yellow oak color, yellow oak color. Now learn 2D shapes. Heart, arrow, oval, rhombus, cross, pie. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.